is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. And yes, we immigrants are important. Oh yes. Immigrants to this country have built America, continue to build America, and we keep the cost of living lower for white people in America. How do I know this? Well, we are their reserve army of workers. Yes. Millions and millions of immigrants come to this country every year, every decade, every quarter century. And we are the nannies, we are the maids, we are the CNAs, we are the nurses. Yes. We are the restaurant workers, we are the farm workers, and we are the ones that America exploits the most. We are the ones that keep the cost of living down. And the reason why we have high inflation now is because there are not enough of us. They need more immigrants so that they could exploit our labor, pay us the cheapest dollar that they can so that their food at the restaurants will be cheaper, that the vegetables, the meat, and all those things in their kitchen will be cheaper, that their babies and their children will be well taken care of through our cheap labor. Yes. We are their reserve army of workers who get paid the least but do the most. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Us immigrants have to be proud. Get your green card as soon as possible. Become a U.S. citizen as soon as possible, so that work ethic that you have, you could get better paid jobs and you could bring more immigrants to America. The only way America will be a better country is if more people like us come here. Not those from Western Europe, sorry. You all have enough of you Western Europeans in America. But we want more people from the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America. Yes, and from all those Muslim countries also. We want real diversity in America. And we want you not only to become a millionaire, we want you to become a billionaire as you immigrate to America. Understand business. One of the things that we have done at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates is establish the new American Chamber of Commerce, the African American International Chamber of Commerce, and the Hispanic American International Chamber of Commerce. So as we make those transitions from hard labor, we have to own our business. And we already do. If you look at Utica Avenue, White Plains Road, Jamaica Avenue, Hillside Avenue in New York City, we see thriving Caribbean businesses. At one time, hey, when I came to this country, I couldn't find a good roti. And roti is something they make in TNT, whether it be a chicken roti, a goat roti. And I like how Jamaicans do the goat. Yeah, their curry goat is the bomb. And when I came to this country, very few restaurants. I was forced to eat at McDonald's. Imagine that. Damn. I had to go to restaurants that, I'm in college and I have to eat this American food. Well, obviously, when you're in college, you can't afford a lot of things that you couldn't. And I worked in a warehouse and I made $3.35 an hour. Damn. That's like $25 a day, minimum wage. And we worked the hardest in the warehouse. The white people, they did sales on the first floor and got nice commissions. And anything that wasn't white in the warehouse. So I know what it is to be part of that reserve army. The army of workers who work the hardest, get the least, and put a lot of money in the white man's pocket. And we keep inflation down. That is what America, whether they're Republican or Democrat, that's how they see us, as cheap labor. So we have to make those transitions, my brothers and sisters. We have to obviously get an education. And even when we have an education from the Caribbean, they want us to do the same thing over in these American universities, which is worth nothing in terms of our own universities. But it is what it is. It is America. So for us immigrants, the path to wealth, as opposed to the path of wealth for Western Europeans, it's filled with minefields, like in the Ukraine. So in the Ukraine, they put in minefields in the farms now. They had minefields in the towns that the Ukrainians took back. Well, we have minefields in America too for new immigrants. And those Ukrainians are lucky because, they could fly into America now. They don't have to worry about Title 42. They could get their part to TPS and other benefits for Ukrainians. Isn't it wonderful to be white? Unfortunately, that is our plight. So now that inflation is going up, are they going to open up that border in Mexico and let our brothers and sisters in from Haiti, the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America? I would like them to open up that border because our only path to a decent life is here in America, because America took all our money in the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America as an imperialist country. Imperialism is hell. They took our resources and left nothing for us. So the money that they have accumulated over time, we are now what? Reaping that benefit by coming to America. So we came here for our money. So when they say to me, hey, Figaro, are you in America? Well, I came for my money. You guys took it, invested it, and built a great nation out of it, a rich nation. So where else can I go but to have a future but in America? Yes. And it's whether they're Democrat or Republican. The Democrats see some of our stuff. They're doing some of the things that are correct. That's why we have to be careful who we choose as our leader in a governor's race that is coming up. So, for example, you didn't have a more anti-immigrant than Hochul. Yeah. She was a bad anti-immigrant today, and then she changed her mind. When she went with Cuomo, she was lieutenant governor, and now she's governor. Yeah. Senator Gillibrand, she's in the U.S. Senate. There are two in each state. She was the same, an anti-immigrant and now pro-immigrant. Damn, boy, those people know how to change their character quickly. But should we forgive them? And someone recently told me black people are too forgiving. And what does that mean? Did we learn about God better than the white man who taught us about God, as they claim? Why are our people, black and brown people, so forgiving? Is it God? Is it our teachings? What is it? Please tell me. So, when Tom Suozzi, who's running for governor, said to me that black people are too forgiving, he's right. And he is running for governor with Diana Rayner. And as far as I can see, that combination is the best combination thus far that I have seen in the Democratic primaries, because we need a Democratic governor. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. If you have issues on immigration law, matrimonial law, wills, trust, and estate planning, yes, bankruptcy, loan modifications, give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, Figueroa & Associates, go to www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. And you could share this with anyone in America, our number and our website, or anyone in the world. We want more immigrants in America, and we all have to make sure that that happens in order to make America great again. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. And like you, like our brothers and sisters that will be coming to America, yeah, I made that $3.35 an hour in a warehouse. And I felt racism in that place. And what I decided to do is to be an educated man, be an educated community activist, for want of a better word. I'm not going to run for office ever. Can't do that. And to be the smartest person around and do my due, so to speak, give you reliable and great information. Why? Because that's what we have to do. I got my law degree in 2.5 years. I have a bachelor's in accounting, a master's in economics, a certificate in banking, 12 more credits for a degree in computer science. My mother-in-law asked me if I was a professional student. She's now deceased. No, I'm not a professional student. What I'm doing, or what I did, was prepare myself for today. Give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, Ask the Lawyer for Figueroa & Associates, the law firm, is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Listen to our interview with Tom Suozzi, a gentleman that spent 3 months in Trinidad and Tobago. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.